Why Wait for Detroit? That was the name of a book published in 1991. 15 years later, the issues are now coming to play. We may be lower on this chart, and so there's more and more attention to the idea that ordinary consumers have a choice. The growing network of converters, they use parts made by Curtis and Advanced DC. Someone in Colorado, California, people showing up throughout the United States. This particular talk you're going to be watching comes from Mike Moore, Amp Mobile Conversions. If you have a group of converters, each creating 50 vehicles a year, and there's 20 of them, you're going to have 1,000 electric vehicles. That's our estimate for 2007. If you as a consumer want to be part of that trend, if you as a metal worker or auto repair person want to expand and diversify your work, what products you offer to the public, then contact EV America, contact Amp Mobile Conversions and learn more. Here's news for public administrators. If you're an advocate for work in the United States, this is a way of creating jobs that can't be outsourced. Electric vehicle conversions use components assembled in the U.S. You are recycling a car here, you're creating skilled workers here, and you're keeping dollars here by using a domestic fuel. Learn more by going to evamerica.com, electroauto.com, ampmobileconversions.com. As an informed consumer and as a public administrator who knows more about this particular product, this growing new industry, you will be better informed on how to apply this information. This network is putting safety first and the customer first. What we're looking at is making it possible for consumers to drive an electric car today. Listening to Mike Moore will give you an idea of how one converter is making it possible for people to drive an electric car.